Okay, let's start the review for the test tomorrow on AR preterite. What I first want you to do is on your sheet of paper, you should have your homework sheet with you, is write your AR endings. Okay, try not to look at your notes, try not to look at this, just write your AR endings. Pause this video, write your AR endings, and then come back. So I'm going to have you pause the video a lot. If you just go all the way through the video, it really doesn't help you at all prepare for the test. Okay, here again the endings for the AR endings. Aste, o, amos, astes, aron. Remember the yo and the la usted have accent marks. Now what I want you to write your 5 irregulars. There's space on your sheet to write them all. Just try to write them without your notes, without this video, and then compare them to see how you do. So pause it right now. Okay, now that you're back, here are the conjugations for dar, ver, ir and ser, and hacer. Remember, no accent marks in the irregulars. Okay, now the next section, I want you to answer these questions. Pause the video, answer these questions, and then check your answer against these. Okay, pause it now. Now that you're back, here's the answers for number 1, fuimos. Number 2 is almorcé. Mi película favorita fue. Llegué, that's a gar. Just like almorzar is a zar. It's like practice that we did in class today. Next section, I want you to translate the verb, so pause it, translate these to Spanish, and then come back and check your answers. Okay, now that you're back, here are the answers. If you have any questions on these, don't understand some of these, I can answer them at the beginning of class or come in before school. The second section, okay, you can pause this to check all your answers. The second section, again, pause, write yours, check to see how you did. You might need your list of Spanish 1 verbs out as well. Okay, here are your answers. Toqué, ayudó, cocinaste, hablamos, nadasteis, escucharon, ustedes terminaron, nosotros necesitamos, él contestó, okay, ellos bailaron. Okay, so the first couple, I don't have the pronoun with them. I guess number 1, you could have yo toqué. Number 2, ella ayudó también, no? So it's good to practice the subject pronouns. Last section, all you need to do is conjugate these verbs. Pause it, conjugate, come back and check. Okay, here are your answers. If you have any questions, bring them to school tomorrow, like I said, before school, or I'll try to answer them as soon as class begins. Okay? Have a good night.